Okay, so today I'm just changing the oil and filter on my daughter's 2001 Honda CRV 2 litre. I think it takes about 3.8 litres of oil, which seems a bit low to me, but it's only a 2 litre, but still. Anyway, we'll see what comes out of it, and then we'll put back in some new stuff. All right. Just to be on the safe side, because we're going to go a little bit higher. Just pop on that. So that'll save me if anything happens.
3 hours later.
I don't know if you can see, but that's where I'm trying to undo it up there. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm trying to do that up to get it tight and then try and loosen it off. Oh yeah, it's definitely moving. That's a good thing. Alright, got it. That was difficult. What have we got there? Alright, now that looks like about this one here looks about I don't know, 17, shall we say? Alright, so here we go. Put the this thing under here. Without a doubt, always get myself messed. That's probably drained enough. We'll pop plug back in. The washer looks good still, so I'm not going to worry about the new washer. That's nice and tight. Right, now it's just get this stupid oil filter out. It's going to drip oil everywhere, I just know it. Oh, didn't catch much, did it? Made a mess like I predicted. All over the exhaust. It's always good to wipe the surface down where the filter's going to screw in. Hello, chicken. You want to have a go as well, do you? Okay. Alright, let's clean that surface off, and it is ready for the new filter. Right, put the new filter in. Find where it goes. There's something there. A bit tricky to get that one just to screw on. Normally I'll just do these as tight as I possibly can by hand, and that is usually enough. Of course, like I said, I'm not a mechanic, but I've been doing this for a long time. You get that done up to a reasonable hand tightness, so you basically can't undo it. That is more than enough to seal it. that's it. To do a bit of degreasing in here after. I really only needed those two tools, 17mm spanner and oil filter undoer. That's it. Bearing in mind it should only take 3.8 litres. This thing's got 5, was it 4? That's 5 apparently. 1, 2, 3. So it should have 1.2 litres left. Or maybe a little bit. Should take a little bit less than that, to be honest. Alright, we'll see how we go. That's basically shining fault. So at this point, we'll just start her up and we'll let it pump oil into the oil filter. The oil light stayed on for about 4 seconds and went off to show that it had oil again. So let's run that for, I don't know, a couple of minutes. Then we'll shut her off and we'll check the oil again. Yeah, so that's dropped down, showing a fair bit low because it only take like 50 mils or something. Yeah, so that's on the second hole, which means full. She is full, and just for reference, in the oil container we've got about 1 litre left, so it took slightly more than I imagined. So it took almost 4 litres, but how accurate that is, I don't know. And that's it, job done. Thanks for watching.